Pretty unexpected review, pretty unexpected launch, something which is very much silently launched, and I am very sure that half of the world is unaware of this launch. But I happened to see this product just randomly popping on my YouTube feed in the ads, and I was like, when did this happen? So finally it has happened, and here I am with my review on the new K Beauty contour and highlighter palette. So without rambling too much, let's get into it. So this is how the K Beauty contour and highlight palette would come, in a very simple as usual chic packaging. And yes, all the basic details would be written behind the box. You get only one shade option to pick. They don't have 3-4 palettes in it. They just have one contour highlight palette. You pay 1099 rupees for 15 grams of product, so I'm assuming each pan has 5 grams, and this product is going to last you for 3 years. And the manufacturing on this product is 1220. So I think this product was pretty in the process of getting launched, and due to I think the situation, it just got delayed and they silently launched the product. I'm assuming, I really don't know, because I bought this product, and you know that I do get PR from K Beauty, but for this product I don't see anybody getting any PR. So yes, this is pretty new in the market. And the shade here is written Contour Genius right top, and when you open it, you get the product right inside. Have I used the product? Not even a single time, because I did receive the product yesterday itself, and I updated on Instagram as well. It's just that today I just started to film this video, and I will try to edit ASAP and post it. Now this is how the palette would come in a rose gold packaging, the lid, and you get all the details right behind. It's a typical K Beauty packaging in a rectangular format, and you open the palette, you get a full-size mirror with the 3 shades right in here. This is more of a highlighting powder, more of a light to medium deep contour, and this is more of a deep contour shade. Now this powder can be used as a setting powder also, I'm assuming, for a lot of Indian skin, but for me it can be a little darker shade. As they said, this powder can be used as more of a highlighting contour shade, as in basically bridge of your nose, this portion of your face, this portion of your face, you can use this kind of powder instead if people do not prefer putting a highlighter. So this shade is for that, and then these 2 shades can be used for your contour, and some of you actually can use both of the shade as your bronzer shade as well. And you get a full-size mirror. That's a steal deal, and I really like the packaging. It is pretty compact, pretty nice, and for 1099 I feel you're getting a very nice amount of product, also 15 grams, and this product is going to last you pretty long. I don't know how the product performs. Let's move on to application and let's see what brand has to say. Since I did not receive this product in the PR, or I did not receive any brief on the product, I'm also clueless just like you as this point goes on. So I'm going to switch on my mobile, get onto Nykaa and see what brand is claiming, and then we'll do the application. Since I'm not done contour and bronzing on my skin, we'll do it together and I'll show you how the product performs and know it better. So let's see what brand has to say first, and then simultaneously I'll also talk through. K Beauty Contour and Highlight Pro Palette that sculpts your face with its high definition matte formula. So yes, all the 3 powders are matte. So when they said highlighting contour, so I was like, how is it going to, is it a highlighter? But then when I processed it, then I realized, okay, this is just a matte powder which is just going to be highlighting the bridge of your nose and only your forehead. The all-in-one kit offers 3 universal shades in a warm tone, cool tone and neutral tone. As you see in the pan also, you see a neutral tone, a cool tone and a warm tone. So I think these 3 shades cater a lot of Indian skin, but I still feel the deepest shade is not the deepest shade. I think a little more deeper shade was needed there. or maybe another shade of palette. And it is a feathery lightweight feel and a premium textured powders, HD contouring. It is high on hydration, and if you remember, if you know, and if you have been following K-Beauty, you know all of their powder products are also hydrating in nature. They do not dry out your skin, they do not enhance your texture, they do not settle into your wrinkles, or they just do not enhance the imperfections on your skin, because they are hydrating in nature. Though in winters also their products do not dry out your skin, being matte and formula. Then the formula lets you bronze, contour and highlight in one go without the hassle of using multiple products. It's incredibly long lasting, sweat proof and water resistant. Now I cannot say if it is, but so far whichever product I've used it in the past, I would say yes, they are sweat proof and they are waterproof, they just do not budge. So if they have gone with the same formula, then I'm expecting the same kind of response from the palette. Also the one which we have today is the contour one. So yes, if the same brand, obviously the same formula must be there. What makes the whole product something which you should be going ahead and buying is, it is firstly all the three powders are matte finish, high on hydration, it is high definition, sweat proof, or I would say water and sweat resistant, and easily buildable and blendable. And it is enriched with macadamia nut oil, which is basically more of a lightweight moisturizing ingredient, as well as it stops your makeup or basically your powder creasing. And it has aloe vera oil also, which is more of a hydrating canvas, which easily helps your contour to blend onto your skin. So all in all, you're getting three tones here: highlight, bronze and contour. And if you're aware, K-Beauty is a cruelty-free and vegan brand. So I think I have zoomed you enough. So I have dyed my hair today because it is extremely hot, girls. It's burning hot and I'm sweating like a pig. Just imagine my state of mind. Okay, so let's just contour first. So I'm going to be taking the deepest shade definitely, or else it is not going to work the way I want it to work. So what I'm going to do is take my Renee Cosmetic Contour R3 brush. Let's be real, and I'm just going to show you how much it picks up. Okay, it picks up a lot of product, so I'm not going to go too much. I'm just going to dab out a little extra. I see the powder doesn't have a lot of kickback going on, so okay, that's pigmented. You can see for yourself actually. So I'm just going to contour with it, I'm not going to bronze with it. Okay, same, I'm just going to take this here a bit. You saw that? You see this contour happening, and you see this side of the face, it's still not done. You see this? Oh my god, lovely. And the contour shade has a nice amount of gray going on. A good contour shade, if it has a little bit of gray going on, it is like a perfect contour, I feel, because it just gives you that nice definition. Next up, I'm just going to take the same brush and go on to this side of my face and just going to blend. You saw that, how pigmented it is? You just need like a little product and you're done. Now I'm going to take the same brush, take a little, go into my nose area as well. Now don't do these stunts with this kind of a fat brush. If you're used to the brush, then you'll be able to do it. I'm just going to clean the brush and clean it, blend it. Next up, I'm going to be taking the lighter shade to bronze up. So I'm going to take the same brush, and you can see how much product it picks up. I'm going to dust off a little extra and then just bronze, because we need a little bronzing. So we are bronzing on our forehead now, and I'm going to be bronzing here as well. I like to just take my bronzer on my neck as well, and I feel I'm done. Okay, I really like how my contour looks. bronzer also looks good. Actually, you can mix both contour and bronzer just to make your shade. Okay, next up I'm going to be taking the highlighting shade and putting it on the bridge of my nose. So I'm taking the highlighting shade, I'm putting on the bridge of my nose. Let's see what it does. Okay, now what basically you can do with this kind of a shade, you can take a little fluffy wire brush like this, and if you want to just do this on your forehead or this is what brand is suggesting to do with this powder. Okay, don't assume this highlighting powder as your highlighter, you will go wrong. So yeah, as of now I really like my bronzer and my contour, and highlight, we'll get to it. So why not, let me just zoom you out first and then we'll talk further. So I did change my lipstick because I was not happy with the shade. So yes, I did change up a bit. I mixed two lipsticks and applied. So I have applied both the lipsticks from K Beauty because I've been getting this question a lot of times and I don't remember my lip shades. So today I mixed Faux Pas and Melodrama together and applied on my lips. So this is the combination of two lipsticks. Now let's talk about the palette, and at the end of the video I will let you know should you be buying this or not. Now this palette packaging, 10 on 10. You get three pans for 1099 and you get 15 grams. It's a good pricing with a good quantity of product, and the whole compact packaging is definitely 10 on 10. Talking about the three shades which you get here, I'm not a big fan on this. I felt that they should have bought two palettes. Now this is a palette which will complement my skin, or one shade would complement a person deeper than me as a bronzing shade. That's it. But do not expect a good contour and a good highlight with this palette if you are deeper than me. So yes, I am a little disappointed that they came out only with one palette. Since K Beauty have been launching multiple shades in blushes, highlighter, matte compact powder, so many, they just launched multiple shades. So here I think they just went a little, I don't know, they should have launched at least two palettes, something much more warmer than this one, because this one will complement lighter skin, fairer skin, my skin, but I don't see it going above NC42. If anyone buys NC45, that person also can use only these two shades if they has a little bit of cool tone going on, but technically only one shade would be workable, more of a bronzer, not even a contour. So yes, shade range is lacking, definitely not made for all Indian skin tone. So that is a big flaw here, and I'm really disappointed. Definitely I'm very disappointed. So talking about the benefits, how the product performed in quality, yes, definitely it is a pigmented product. It blended easily, you just saw how seamlessly it was done. And yes, the powders are really fine. They do not have any kind of kickback though, because if I see their matte compact powder, the formula, it has a little bit of kickback, because when you scroll the brush you see a lot of powder here and there. But with this product I did not see any kind of fall off from the pan, or it was going here and there. So whatever product you will pick up, it will just straight up come onto your brush and apply on your skin. So the blendability was really good, and the finish of it is really smooth and lightweight. I do not feel any kind of creasiness as of now, because it is almost 2 hours. I did the application for you and I did few other things. I went to my bedroom, sat in the AC for some time and came back to film the ending of this video. So yes, it has not creased or moved or budged so far, so I'm expecting a high staying power on these contour and bronzing powder. The one major disappointment in this palette is the highlighting powder, which I did not enjoy. This is like your plain compact powder by K Beauty itself, and I don't know why they did this. Instead of this matte highlighting powder, they should have given me a highlighter. And yes, this is one of another biggest bummer here, which I did not like it. And yes, a lot of you would feel whenever you are buying this palette, okay, you're gonna get a highlighting shade. This is what happened when I bought this palette. I did not read anything, I just bought the palette because it says clearly contour and highlight palette. where is the highlight? It's not there. It's only a compact powder in a different shade or a cool tone shade, which is again which cannot be used by many. So yes, if you want to buy this palette completely seeing that you are just going to get 2 contour bronzing shade in one compact, then buy the palette. And if you are someone NC42 to NC40 and fairer and medium or lighter skin tone, deeper girls, I'm really sorry that I cannot help you here, but then I will be very real with you. If you're buying this palette, be 110% sure that all the 3 shades are going to work for you. If not, then I would say skip it. Yes, you can skip it totally, because 1099 rupees may if one of the pans or 2 of the pans are non-functional for me, then why am I buying the palette? I hope you loved watching this in-depth review on the K-Beauty Contour and Highlight Pro Palette. I know I did not give you a very firm answer, should you be getting yes or no, because everybody has a preference and everybody has a skin tone. So if you feel all the 3 shades are workable for your skin, then only get it. If you feel only one shade is functional, then you have to decide, should you be getting one for yourself, because you're not paying 100 rupees, you're paying 1099 rupees. It is not a very expensive product till the time all the shades are functional. But if any one is not functional or 2 of the shades are not functional, then it is a very expensive product. Other than that, the quality of the product is really good, so you have to keep that in mind. K-Beauty has maintained the quality on the product, so I'm really happy on that. That is not a disappointment. I hope K-Beauty launches another warmer palette than this one for the deeper girls, deeper women who would enjoy this palette. And instead of that matte powder, if they can add a highlighting shade, the existing highlighting shade, which will complement all skin tone. Other than that, I loved reviewing the product for you, but I'm not very excited, or I would not say that I'm extremely happy with the product. This is my personal opinion, because for me also one of the powder is non-functional. All in all, we'll see what K-Beauty gets next for us, but this was definitely one of the silent launches and something which is not up to my expectation. Everything will be linked in my description. If you want to get one for yourself or you want to just check out the product, feel free to check out and then decide for yourself, should you be getting one for yourself or not. I will be here soon with some more reviews, some more exciting makeup, some more skincare. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @bronzinggeek. Till then, you take care and I will see you in my next one.